Holy shit! There's no way you just got that.
All right, guys, back out here for the afternoon hunt. Got in a good lunch. So for this afternoon hunt here, it's gonna be Brett and I again. It's gonna be Wheeler, and then we got Peyton along with us. So 4 guns consistently out, and Tana's gonna be constantly behind the camera. Brett and I got both of our GoPros. I got a tactic cam on my gun. Dogs are ready to go. So as soon as John's ready here, we're gonna get rolling.
Thank you. All right, I'm on the board. Peyton, come on up.
There we go. Okay, come on, a little bit. Everybody, watch your shoot. Okay, ready? Nice job. Here it comes. Here it goes. Way out, way out. Oh, it's gone. Yeah! Holy shit!
Here it comes. Way out, way out.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah!
Holy shit! There's no way you just got that. Yeah, holy shit! I figured that was a free shot. You have an extra bullet.
No.
Oh my god.
I don't know who
He got it.
I think it might have been Wheeler.
Uh-oh. That was a headshot, eyeball shot.
Well, it was when it was hovering, that's when I shot, and then it went down.
Wow, that's crazy. In the wind. That's crazy.
All right, guys, made it through the first section here. We went for 4 on the pheasants in there and got an extra chucker that Brett spotted. Wheeler and I made 2 great shots. We're getting ready now. We're gonna be heading back through here. We got 8 chuckers in this field, so see if we can't get them all. Yeah, right in front of her, right in front of her. Right on it, right on it.
Shoot it, shoot it. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, I hit the. I should have kept shooting. My bad.
Over you, Brett! Come on, Peyton! Yeah!
Come on, Peyton. Good job. I was right behind you.
Good shot! Did you get that?
What?
You get that?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Nice shooting.
That was a great shot. I didn't even see it go up. Up on it was right above your head.
Brett, it was right here.
Yeah. Holy heck.
I just went like this. I was just like, oh,
Above your guys' head.
I'm just gonna kick this, see if anything's in here, and all of a sudden here, woo! Yo! Alright guys, so finished up the first half of the afternoon hunt here. We finished with 8 chukars and 4 pheasants. We went 100% on this first round, so
I shot Bill. Yep. Don't matter, guys.
I blew that shot. I missed.
What do you think?
Yeah, let's go this way. I'm thinking if I can get him out this open here. Like that. Nice shot.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Get up here, Peyton. I want you to dust them.
Oh, there's 2 here.
Come on.
1 second, let me get another shell in.
Come.
What do you think?
Yeah, let's go this way. Thinking if I can get him out this opening here. Like that. Oh, nice shot.
Good job, guys. Good job.
get ready, Wheeler.
Come on up, Peyton. Okay. Hit again.
I got
He got it. He got it. Good.
leg.
Did you get them both?
I shot that one.
Yeah, I missed that one.
That one's dead over there.
Yeah. My gun keeps jamming.
Yeah, they're right here in front of them. Get ready.
Nice shot, guys. Beautiful. Come.
Nah, Wheeler and I got that one.
That one's dead over there. Yeah.
I shot that one. Wheeler and I got
That one's dead over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
My gun keeps jamming.
Right there. All right. Just gotta get it up one up a little bit. Let's go this one first.
Up!
Did he get it?
Yep.
That one was quick. That was close.
It's right in front here, about 20 yards maybe. Not even.
I got that. You guys all shot that one.
You got the second one solo.
Yeah. Somebody did the solo. Here. Come here.
Yeah,
That was Peyton.
the solo right here.
Yeah, that one flew up right. I'm gonna do that. Good shot. Is that you? Yeah, right here. it was.
Right in front of you there somewhere, Brett.
What?
Right in front of you somewhere there.
Come on, Roman. Come on.
Right there. I see it. Right on the edge there.
Come on.
What?
Did you give another thumbs up?
It's there it is. He's got it. Get the bird.
That bird, buddy.
Good job.
Good boy.
Thank you. There we go.
Come on.
That one had a little side kick to her and everything.
Yeah, come on, come on, come.
Two of them!
You hit it that one time. You hit it the second time.
Yeah. All right. I peppered the second one there. It's down. Oh yeah, it's down there. It's right in the fence row. It's way down there. Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, that's good. Did you get it? With pointing dogs, this is what you have. Alright.
Yep, right there. I see it. This is all you guys.
I don't know.
Shoot it! Shoot it! Right there. I see it. This is all you guys.
Nice shot. Good job. Good job.
I needed that through the trees, though.
Come on, Roman, come on.
You got a lot of pellets in that one.
Guys, I hate to say this, but I think there's a turkey in that tree right over there.
Where? That ain't a turkey.
Look at the white head.
I don't see it.
What are you talking
Something
about?
in there.
Are you talking about that lump off that?
Yeah.
Hey, you see the lump off that tree?
You're just trying to end the hunt a little excited.
Yeah.
Well, there was a rooster down here on our way in.
Never done I don't think the birds are in bed yet.
Never done. Well, guys, we are back here at the lodge. Finished up the afternoon hunt. Went a perfect 100%, 16 for 16 on the chukars. Fell too short with the pheasants. Had one run away and one we just missed. Too far of a shot. But overall, it was a great day. Good weather for the most part. The wind kind of died down here. Birds flew really good for us this afternoon, I would say. A couple of them just didn't want to fly, but it is what it is, you know. I want to thank John here and John's dogs, River and Roman, for a great day out here. You know, we can't thank him enough for taking us out and getting us on birds.
This is the second year in a row, and I really appreciate you guys coming down here and asking for me. Absolutely, asking for the dogs. Good camaraderie, by the way.
Did you guys ever in the market?
Yep.
Yeah, if you're looking for a pheasant hunt, check out Martz's Game Farm.
Yep.
Ask for John. Yep, ask for John. He'll hook you guys up. You'll have a great hunt.
It was a great day. And I really appreciate you guys coming down and asking for me.
We appreciate it
and
too.
having fun with the dogs today. Absolutely good day out in the field.
Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe.